In this video, we will take a look at branch stock statement and item movement report. Let's begin with branch stock statement. Click on the inventory module. You'll find the branch stock statement here. This is the branch stock statement. Here you can view the list of items that are present in the store, along with a barcode, item code, and the categories to which they belong to. Then you can see the current stock, normal stock, and the reserve stock. Current stock shows the number of items that are physically present. If you're using the concept of reservation, then you will be taking the normal stock and reserve stock into account. Here you have options that allow you to filter the items based on a few parameters. Here you see active and inactive item. The items that are displayed here are active. They are displayed by default. If you want to view inactive items, you can check that and click on display. Now you see the inactive items. These are the items that are marked inactive in the item settings. If you want to view all the items, check this and click on display. Now you can see all the items. You can also choose to view the prices alongside these items and also include zero stock items, which shows the items that are currently not in stock and items that have a negative stock. This is the updated list. It is showing items that are currently not in stock. You can also see the prices here, the retail and the wholesale price. You can search for items. You can either enter the item code or the barcode. Let's enter an item code. When the display button is clicked, the items that have this item code are displayed here. Otherwise, you can clear this and enter the item's name, entering radish. Here is the list of items with the item name. Then you can filter items that you want to view based on category. Currently, all categories are displayed. You can uncheck it and select a specific category. Then clear this field and click on display. Now the list of items that belong to the category snacks are displayed. Similarly, you can select multiple categories. Then you can view the items that belong to those categories. Next, you have the option of exporting the report to Excel. This is branch stock statement. Next, let's take a look at item movement report. It is related to the stock count of items. You can find it in the reports module. Under the inventory reports tab, here's the item movement report. Let's view the item movement report for the past 2 months. This is the item movement report for the past 2 months. This report categorizes all the transactions of the same item together, and it displays the in quantity and the out quantity for the items based on the transactions. For example, let's take this first item. It has 2 types of transactions. One in green and the other one in red. The transaction that is highlighted in green color represents an in quantity. It means because of this transaction, the stock count has increased. This transaction is a goods received no transaction, which means this item was purchased. This is a transaction that has reduced the stock count, so this is red in color. This is a purchase return transaction. It has reduced the stock count by 10. The balance is 0. All the other items are color-coded in the same way. So any type of transaction that alters the stock count of an item comes under item movement. The transaction types involved here are sales bill, sales return, retail sales, wholesales, or any type of purchase, or any type of inventory stock movement, or any stock interchange, or branch transaction. All of them fall under item movement, and you can use these filters to view items based on certain parameters. You can view the records for this item with a particular package type from this date to this date. Click on display. Records pertaining to those filters will be displayed here, so you can filter the records according to your needs.